Hey guys, so again today I'm working on my 2003 Mitsubishi Galant, and today I'm changing the brakes. And first thing first, remove the tires. Now we're gonna open these two bolts. One is right here and one at the bottom right here. Remove this, take out the brakes. Buy these two brakes from the Model Zone. These are out of, I bought it for like $20, and I'll show you how to change it. So once you remove the tire, open these two bolts and then come back after I open these the bolts. Alright guys, so I opened these two bolts. I'm going to remove this. It's hard to do from one hand. Be careful when you open this. Make sure don't let this hanging. Just put on a safe place. Get these brakes, they're done. Got a little help from my brother. Alright. Get these brakes, they're done. Yeah, so we have these two new brakes. We got this lubricant. I'm gonna apply a little bit of it. When you buy from the AutoZone, they usually give it to you. It is $1 something extra, and it's good. So just apply a little bit of it, and then just spread it. Make sure it goes on the back of the brakes. You can't see the back.
Yeah, just pushing it.
So, alright, here you go. Now the toughest part is to move that piston back. So I have this special tool to do with this, and my brother is going to show you how to do it. So he's going to demonstrate a little bit and tell you about this, just tell you how to do it. This is the tool that we're going to use. See how easy it is. You want to push it all the way in the back. Look at this. It's easy. Now we're gonna put this. Put this back.
Did he give you the plastic?
I'm gonna bring the plastic.
He gave it to you, no?
No, I'm gonna bring it.
Alright, that's it. After that, you tighten up, put the tires back, and you're good to go. See you guys back on my next video. Take care.